What's up, guys? I'm gonna answer a few questions. I was listening to a motivation MP3 with Tony Robbins and Conor McGregor. It's a pretty awesome motivation. He was talking about the laws of attraction. Let me stop it. So there's two things he was talking about that I was doing, and you should do it as well. He was saying when I was like broke, I was on the welfare and stuff. I was with my girlfriend. I used to go to the grocery and I used to visualize that parking spot in front of the door available for me. And he said, sometime I would get it, sometime I would not. But when I would get it, I would celebrate like it was my championship win. And he said another thing. He said, I was doing the same thing, so it reminded me of me. When he was a kid, I'm talking about Conor McGregor, he was playing football, he was playing soccer in his backyard, and he had no fans or nobody watching, and he didn't even have a goal, but he was visualizing the goal, and when he do his score, he used to basically visualize and hear people cheering his name and stuff. And I used to do the same thing when I was younger. So law of attraction are super powerful. What's up, Kev Money Flow? Got a few questions that I'm gonna answer, guys. What's up, Joey Papi? MTL, what's up? Yeah, we can see the freaking Olympic Stadium when we're not at night. So, I'm going to answer a few questions before the Toronto Raptors game. We have a few. I don't know if you can see them. Choose one to show. Oh yeah, we can see it. If I have a 2K account, how much would be my buying power? Because I want to start sooner. So it depends on your leverage, your buying power, but it does not really matter because you're not going to risk more than 5% of your account per trade. So it does not matter what's your buying power because you don't want to use more than like 5% per trade anyway. What's up, everyone? So we're gonna get on another question. Oh, fuck this chat. All right, good. We got one. Then we'll go on this one. How did you start trading? And drop them in the chat if you have other questions, guys. You can drop them in the chat. And there's not a lot of lights and stuff, but I wanted to show you a little bit my apartment. People are dropping a lot of time when we do those live because people think that it's always the building a business and trading. It's not always hype. But on social media, you always see hype. In our posts, you always see hype. In our story, you always see hype because that's what people wants to see. But really, it's more like 15 hours of work and analysis to take one trade. Can you tell us what broker do you use? You can go to goldenoptiontrading.com/forex broker and you'll have a special offer. If you deposit $500 you can get 30 days of VIP Forex signals for free, plus our trading accelerator program, which we are selling at $297. So it's a $397 worth. You get it 100% for free just for depositing with our broker. And it's a super good broker because we have a dedicated account manager. So the spread are starting from 0.0, and we make sure with the dedicated account manager that you actually are not being involved into some shady promotion, and that you're always having the good spread, and that basically the broker is not going to play with you and everything. So let me show you a few things. I cannot put the light on. Why? Let me see. Let me see if it's gonna. Okay. I bought a few things this week. I bought a little jacket, Jack and Joan jacket. I bought a new bed, and it's actually a commercial bed. So I got a deal. I pay $1,000 instead of $1,700, and it's a commercial bed. So pretty sweet. But another winter jacket, Jack and John as well. Right. And this is my new apartment, which I might not have for a while. I've been here since the 1st of the month, so 15 days. But now it's good tonight. We'll see. But usually there's a bunch of fucking sound coming from downstairs, from the construction and people that are, whatever, the snow and everything. So I'm probably going to cancel and go in a war and shit. Because if I cannot sleep properly, guys, one tip before I answer all the rest of the question. Your sleep, your energy is the most important. Your energy is the most important to be efficient in whatever you're doing. If it's trading, if it's building a business, if it's doing sports, if it's whatever, going to school, your energy is the most important. And the number one thing that defines your energy is your sleep. Second thing is what you eat, and third thing is how much activity you do. So, man, if you cannot sleep properly, guys, you're basically almost never gonna be successful. So when I cannot sleep properly, I'm just tripping. I'm just tripping and going in a war. And people are like, dude, why are you tripping? Because it's everything. Like, sleep is everything. So just a little tip for you guys. So, how did you start trading? How long did it goes that you live your dream lifestyle? I'm still not living my dream lifestyle, to be honest. I don't think Nicholas either is. It took 10, well, it depends if you're asking me or Nicholas. But me personally, I'll say my history and I'll say Nicholas' history. So me, I started on Instagram and YouTube and like everyone basically, and I started like putting like $200, blowing it up, $200, raising my account, blowing it up, like everyone, like always putting a little bit of money and blowing it up. And really it took me about 2 years, and it's when I basically came in contact with Nicholas, which is co-owner with me, and he showed me his strategy that I really like changed my trading, and it changed at that moment. So it's really, for me, that's where I really saw that yes, okay, you need a strategy. Like, you really need to know what you're doing, and not just a strategy actually. You need to know like what the fuck is going on like in the institutional banks and what the institutional trader are doing and stuff. Like, you really need to know. So now Nicholas' history, you'll understand why I'm saying that, because he learned from someone. So I'm about to do a webinar to tell our history to everybody, so people can see it. So it's gonna be done in a few weeks. But basically, the history is that Nicholas' mentor, okay, the one that he learned his strategy from, at the moment, he said that he made 100 million with Forex. Now, we don't know if he really made 100 million, but I can tell you that he got a Rolls Royce, he got a McLaren, he got a Lamborghini, he got fucking 3 millions in car, and I saw him live made a $1 million Forex trade. I saw it live. And a bunch of people saw it, and he made a lot of money. So Nicholas learned, he was his first student. So a lot of people around Montreal, where we're from, knows who I'm talking about. He used to do seminar for $5,000, but he done the last one, so now he's not available anymore to teach. He's claiming that he's gonna take a $50,000 account and turn it to 1 billion in the next 3-4 years. So we'll see. But Nicholas was his first student 3 years ago. He basically learned in his father restaurant. So Nicholas, his father, got a restaurant, and this person that has made 100 million with Forex teach him in his father restaurant. He was his first student, so he knows like the information that almost nobody know. And everyone after that got this information, they sign. When you do the seminar with this guy, you sign a contract or whatever that you cannot disclose any information that you learn. So there's nobody out there that can teach this, and it's not like a scarcity thing or whatever. It's real, like it's really real. So I don't know many traders. There's a few one on YouTube or traders that know these kind of strategy, that have contact, that I've showed them. But the only way you can know those strategy is literally if you have contact that have already traded in the banks and know what is going on. That's the only way. All right, so do you trade stock as well? I don't. What is the best trading method for beginner? Our method, I would say, I don't know. It's too much a general question, because a beginner, it doesn't tell me like what is your personality. So I cannot really answer that, to be honest. Bro, tu diras à Nick que les banques ne regardent pas en bas de daily. Not sure about that, bro. He says you should tell Nick that the banks don't look under the daily. He's talking about the time frame. Not sure about that, because many banks trader are day trader. Mean they open a position when they get at the job at 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m., and they close it before the end of the day. So yeah, they might look at the daily like we do, to look at the bigger picture, see where the movement is going, what is the trend basically, is it an uptrend, downtrend. But I'm pretty sure many banks trader like we do take their decision on the H4, H1, or even 15-minute chart. Pretty sure about that. All right, so I'll answer the question at the bottom. How did you start? I just answered it basically. So second done. Good. And if you have question, ask them in the chat as well. I'll answer both of them. So why do you sell signals? This one is coming super often, so we'll clearly do a YouTube video, because that's a good question as well, and it's gonna bring a lot of attention, I'm pretty sure, on YouTube. So we'll clearly do a better video on that soon, but it's pretty simple. We did a post on YouTube actually yesterday as well, just a little post, and it was, people ask me, is trading is your only income? And it's like, when people ask me that, I'm thinking like, hell no. Why the hell would you want like to only have one income, first of all? And then trader that only depend on their income are in a super bad position, because you can never have a peace of mind. First of all, you're always like, I need to make this profit, I need to make this money, because I need to pay for my rent, I need to pay for my food, I need to pay for this. That doesn't make sense, and that is impossible as well, right? So what I always answer to this question is even the bank trader, the bank trader and the professional trader, they have a salary. So if a professional trader have a salary, like why would you expect a retail trader, which is us, to only depend on that income? Think about that. Why also they have a salary? Because no trader is profitable month after month after month after month. There's some month you're not going to be profitable. To be honest, you're super lucky guy. Even though if you're always dropping in the signals, but we don't have losing months. We have losing weeks sometimes, but we don't have losing months. We had literally 2 or 3 losing months in 2.5 years. So that's like 2 or 3 losing months on 35. That's less than 10%. That's almost less than 5% of losing months. So that is really, really good. But some professional trader will have it. So if you lose 1 or 2 or 3 months in a row and you're not making money, like how are you going to live? That doesn't make sense. Not only are you going to live, but if you're losing money, you'll need to take money out of your capital or your saving to actually be able to live. So that doesn't make sense at all. Like people that has that, literally, they have no, I'm saying that with all due respect, they have no fucking sense of money. They don't understand money for a penny. Because, thanks for the heart, thanks for the love. Because, like, it's insane asking that question, right? So, that's the answer. Then after that, there's two other answers to that question. After that, I'm an entrepreneur. Nick is an entrepreneur as well, so we like to build business, and usually you build business around what you're good at. So we're good into Forex and online marketing with Instagram and stuff. So that's why we build our business around Forex. Asking that is kind of stupid as well, because come on guys, like I'm pretty sure the number one reason why you are trading Forex and you want to make money with Forex is to quit your job. So you're asking me why you build a business? Because I don't want to have a fucking job. That is super simple, right? So yeah, that's it. And most traders, they don't take their capital, they don't do withdrawal, they just want to grow their capital. So if you can be able to be in that position because you have other income, that's really the best position. So that's why we sell signals. I really need to do a YouTube video on that. Français. People are always asking us, I'm going to be straight up on that. People are asking us, can you do it in French? No. Fuck no. Not anymore. Let me tell you why we don't do shit in French anymore. Alright? Because we gave you some crazy fucking offer. We gave you all our online course. We gave you training that people cannot even get in English. And you fucking guys never took on our offer. So fuck you French guys. You can go fuck yourself, seriously. Because we made some crazy offer. And it's also like you're asking for it. You're like, yo bro, like I want to learn from you. Like, can I get the course? Can I get the training? Can I get the knowledge? For sure, bro, it's $4.97. Alright. I'll look, alright. So, bro, do you want it or not? Well, yeah, but not now, you know. So, bro, what's up? No answer. He's gone. And he's like, he's a fucking salesman or... So, thanks for the love again. So, yeah. Why do you sell signals? Noobs can make a living from signals. So I already answered the first part, but I'll answer the second part. Noobs can make a living from signals. I guess you meant it the other way, like even noobs can make a living from selling signals. And that's not true. or maybe if you're alone, maybe you can be able to like maybe make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per month if you're good selling forex signals. That's pretty much what you're gonna be able to do if you're alone, and you deserve it. Because if you can do that, that's because you're good in marketing and digital marketing, and probably that you have some good enough signals to keep a little bit of your client. So that's pretty much what you can do, because let me tell you why. For example, if people are alone, they don't have a big business, they want to compete with us, they cannot charge $100 per month like we do. So they need to charge $50 per month, or even $40 or $30 per month. So let's say $50 per month. All right. So to make fucking just $3,000 per month, all right, they need 10, 20, they need fucking 60 clients just to make at $50 a month, just to make $3,000 a month. Now, on those 60 clients, PayPal is gonna take about 3%. All right, and then after that, if you're getting your currency in PayPal in USD, which you're probably gonna do, but you're in a country that is not in USD, you're gonna need to convert it when you send it to your bank account. They're gonna eat you another 2%. So PayPal is gonna eat about 5% of your money right there. And 60 clients, that means you all need about 65 clients per month just to make $3,000 per month. And then after that, to be able to make 65 clients, you need a automation process. So you need a ClickFunnels account that is $97 US per month. You need a domain, a professional email, SendGrid to send automation email. That's about $200 per month. So you need another 4 clients to pay for that. So you're at now 69 clients per month. Now, I'm going to tell you something that other signals provider will never tell you guys, because we really want to show you how to build an online business to keep our signals for more than 1 month. Because even if we have the best Forex signals in the world, like in terms of result, there's no best Forex signals in the world. And we probably the biggest like one in terms of acquiring client. We're acquiring 150 to 200 new clients per month. And I'm pretty sure there's no other signals provider acquiring that much client. Now, we're getting free technical analysis photo on each trade, update on each trade, weekly technical analysis video, 24/7 support, a free Forex course, free content, affiliate program, and the first month at 67% discount. And we only have about a 30 to 35% rate of people staying after the first month. So that means these other signals provider, they won't never have everything that we provide. So that means they will not even have a 30% ratio of people staying after 1 month like we do. So that means there's 69 clients. They're going to lose about 45 to 50 of them every month. That means they need to acquire 50 new clients each and every month. We're acquiring 150 clients per month. We're spending about $15,000 per month. So that means that we're spending about $10,000 per month on advertising. So that means just to acquire 50 clients, they need to spend $3,000 plus on advertising. They're now going bankrupt. Their business is over. I didn't even talk about the fact that they need to pay for a support. They need to pay for this, for that, for that. So no, there's no other signals provider that can legitimately build a business and make a living out of it. They always will fail unless they're a real business, like they're not alone. They're 2-3 person working in the business, and when they get bigger, they get a support, they get a digital marketing manager, they get someone to run their ad, and in those cases, they can survive. But what you don't understand is these business can be doing like $30,000 per month, but they can have like $25,000 of costs. So the profit can be a little tiny. So, yeah. How we know you're not a marketer? I am a marketer. What the hell? I am a marketer. Cheers. If I would not be a marketer, the 315 or 320 client that we got at the moment and the lady that bought her $4,000 private training yesterday would never heard of us, right? It's just about marketing. This guy is a marketer. He makes sure he avoid all my question. You just got fucked right there. Lol. I message. I will like to get started. Let's get it. Our support guy will answer you, and you can just make the payment, and he will add you as soon as you make the payment and he sees it. What broker do you have an IBM agreement with? We don't make money on lots, so yeah, we don't make money on the lots that you're trading. Do you use the signals? I use two complete ways. 50% win-lose ratio. Yeah, 50% win-lose ratio. Go on goldenoptiontrading.com trading log. All our signals for the past 2 years are there. You'll see that in the past 2 months, like it's about 70% win ratio. So numbers talk. What is the average of pips in your signals a month, bro? Literally 800 pips, 200 pips plus per week for the past 3-4 months, and we're not lying. Like I said, we're tracking all the signals, and I can tell you, like, there's no other signals provider that can give you 800 to 1,000 pip per month and show you the result. There's might be, but they're fucking good. What do you recommend to start? I'm waiting for the Raptors game. It's starting in 15 minutes. I'll answer the other question we got here because maybe those people were on the live and they've been waiting. How to get IMF code? I don't even know what I don't even know what IMF codes are. Is it possible to grow a $500 account to $5K in 1 month? It is possible. Like, we have landed on the moon and shit. But yeah. So what do you recommend use to start learning everything? Oops, what's the average? Okay, so I answered that. To start learning everything, I would not start learning everything, to be honest. It's crazy, like, how I made this mistake so much time trying to learn everything when you should learn one thing and learning fucking well. So what I mean by that is, if you go in Forex and you're like, all right, so tell me about the moving average, tell me about Fibonacci, tell me about the support and resistance, tell me about the trend line, tell me about the RSI, and tell me about the fundamental news. You'll have a fucking hard time. But if you just go like master one piece by one piece, so at start, let's say you focus on really mastering the candle, then you master like always having a good risk management, so taking always the good risk on every trade and stuff, and then you can gradually add things. But basically, where it's hard, man. We don't really have an online course. We have a free course that we're giving. We're about to change how we're doing things with that. So we have like a free course that we're giving, but we are gonna do like a trading academy where we're gonna add new content every month. But to be able to have access to the trading academy online, which are gonna have like live webinar, education video, online course, technical analysis, everything, people are gonna need to be part of the VIP Forex Signals. So we want people to basically pay every month for not just the signals but the education and the affiliate program all together. So people don't go with the mindset like, oh, I'm gonna pay like $33 and I'm gonna try to be rich in the first month. It's only a $33 and then they leave. So it's we're trying to put the mindset to people so they basically think as $100 per month is what I have to pay to be financially successful. And once they start paying that $100 per month, they never stop paying it because they have education, they have Forex signals, and they have their business that they can build. So yeah, people just learn how to trade and call your own shots. Signals are garbage. You can make a living buying signals. I promise you this. Yeah, that's I would agree, man. Like you cannot make a living buying signals. That's true. I agree. Um, you can grow your Forex trading account, you can build a portfolio, you can make an extra income, you can grow your portfolio to the point where you made enough money on that account to withdraw $4,000, ship the $4,000 to us, get a private training, and we'll show you how to get $50,000 or $250,000 from an investor. And then after that, if you make, like, let's say you get $200,000 from an investor, which we done, right? We got multiple investors that have gave us $100,000. We have a few ones that are coming probably with 7 figures. So it's really possible. It's just a beginning. Let's say you get $200,000, you make 5% per month. That's $10,000 per month. You split the profit 50-50, right? The deal with your investor is every 3 months we withdraw the profit and we split 50-50. If you make 5% per month on average, that's $30,000 every 3 months. You split that, that's $15K for you every 3 months. That's $5,000 per month. Now you can live of your Forex. That's not even your capital. Your capital, you can trade it as well and grow it. So that's the better plan. So yes, you can make a living buying signals. You're right on that. But signals are not garbage. Our signals are super great. So yeah. And you should learn how to do your own shots. Call your own shots for real, for sure. You should do that in every aspect of life. So do you also analyze Nasdaq 100? Nope. YouTube video, great marketing. Our marketing, we have way more than that, man. Our marketing is the best one in the whole Forex industry. Like, no one is on my level when it comes to that, guys. Like, first of all, we're spending $10,000 per month on Facebook and Instagram ad at the moment profitably. So there's probably not many or no other signals provider that can spend $10,000 per month on ad. And then after that, I got the same funnel, the same landing page that is converting at like 50% plus since like 2 year plus. My sales page is converting at like 4 or 5%, which is some ridiculous number. If you know the industry, most pages will convert at Like 3% it's $1 million page, like 2% is really good, 1% is the average, 0.5% is what you will see often. We're getting 4 or 5%. So like their conversion rate is insane. All my landing page are at 50%. Like my broker landing page, my signals landing page, my online course landing page are all at 45+% conversion since years. My ad are profitable, 2x, 3x, 4x ROI. I'm collecting like 200 plus lead per day. I'm ranking, if you go on YouTube and you type in Forex Signals 2019, Forex Signals Provider, Best Forex Signals Provider, FX Lifestyle, all the biggest keyword, I'm all there. I'm all there. If you go probably even in Google, typing in keywords, I'm probably there as well. Guys, we're like killing it. So, by the way, most people don't care about that, but if you would be smart with it, you would understand that you can just grab our affiliate program for $100 per month and like get to leverage all that. What's the average of your signals program? We don't calculate the average. En français, calice. Alright. Just for guidance, price action plus W and M pattern. Is it safe for retail trader? W and M. I don't remember at the moment. W and M. I don't know. At the moment, I don't remember what is W and M pattern. We don't really trade patterns, bro. How much for your signals? It's $100 per month, $33 for the first month. You get a free online course, access to our affiliate program, 24/7 support, free introduction course. What about Robinhood app? I think that's for crypto. Not sure. Can you guys post result? Yeah, like we do, like fucking all the time, bro. Like why would you ask that? You can go to goldenoptiontrading.com/trading log. If all our results are there, updated weekly. You can go to our free Telegram channel where we post update on some trade a few times per week. We post on our YouTube channel our weekly technical analysis video where we show all the trade that have been took in the VIP Forex signals. We show almost our strategy in those free video. What's up, Nick? And the Raptors game is about to start in 2 minutes, guys. So I'll see if there's other question. What do you think about Robinhood? Multiple income stream? Yeah. Fuck, I'm late on those questions. It's been a while. What's a good broker do you suggest, man? goldenoptiontrading.com/forex broker. You smell like capital. I like that. Would you go through the process again, all the ups and the downs, and how did you feel when you finally made it? Yeah, for sure, we'll go through it again. And me, when I made it, to me, it's just when I was able to work from home, basically make about $2,000 per month and not go to a job and stuff and work with an alarm clock and stuff. So yeah, the feeling, it's an incredible feeling. It's the best feeling in the world. One of the best feelings. The best feeling in the world I ever have, and I'll end the live with that because there's no other question. Best feeling in the world. Best feeling in the world is when you created a product and out of nothing, just from your knowledge. So for me, that was an ebook, and you get a payment notification that you fucking made $7 or whatever, even if it's just $7. Like, imagine that. Like, you get a payment notification that you made money from something you created. So it's just fucking insane. It's almost the same feeling as your first Forex take profit, I guess. How long did it take you to get to the point where you didn't have to work a 9 to 5 anymore and make that 2K a month? It took me about fucking 8 to 10 months. 8 to 10 months. And that's what you should, yeah. You can do it in 6 months if you pay for coaching, or even 3 months, to be honest. Maybe not with Forex and stuff, but because it's a little bit more risky. But if you're doing things like consulting, coaching, or starting a social media agency, or more a coaching or consulting business, you can clearly like make that 2K in the first month or two if you have a coach. For example, I'm gonna do a plug about it. It's not usually that, but I do coaching personally for people that want to start or grow. Not start really. I should stop saying that, because I get a lot of people that do application that doesn't have the fun and stuff. But for people that already have a business, or that they're really serious about it, I do coaching. It's $2,000 per month Canadian, and we get on a phone call every week, and I tell you everything you need to know. I tell you everything you need to do. That fucking 2K, you'll make it in the first month, that's for sure. So basically, you give me 2K, I show you how to make 2K minimum that month, and for the all the other month after. And that's what you should do. I'm talking about me, but that's what you should do. And for real, like, a coach, a mentor should never charge you under 2K, or else he's not really good at what he do. And you can get a course, but a course is definitely not an in-person mentor or a coach. So how is it freedom when you sit 15 hours to analyze one trade? Look, I'm gonna be honest. I don't analyze the trade personally. I don't do that. That's not me. But maybe you misunderstood what I said. I don't think a trader or analyst are sitting 15 hours to analyze one trade, but you can be waiting 15 hours, maybe looking at the chart 1 minute every hour, or 1 minute every 3-4 hour, whatever, to just get a potential trade. And it can take you another day to get the entry. So what I was saying is, you can be waiting and watching for a day and a half, 2 days, 3 days, just for a setup, and you need to take the trade and send it. But what I was referring more about the 15-hour stuff is that I personally work about that 15-hour per day every single day, because I don't really have much to do. Like, I go to sleep, I try to sleep 8 hours, and then after that I go to the restaurants 1 time per day, so that's about an hour, and I go to the gym for about an hour, and that's pretty much it. So I work about 14 hours per day. That's pretty much what I do. And when I'm saying like working, it's a bunch of stuff. You should watch my YouTube channel if you want to know more about what I'm doing. Young Entrepreneur 01. How long it took you to be good as a trader that you're right now? 2 years, 2-3 years, always 2-3 years to start being good at trading, to start really getting it. Bro, it doesn't take 15 hours to analyze trade. What the fuck? Yeah, no, that's what I meant. You didn't understood, but I think I clarified that. Maybe I said it wrong. Take me about 30 minutes. In 2-3 hours, I'm done. Yeah, exactly. That's what I meant. Like, if you look at the chart every hour for 2 minutes, after 10 hours, That's about 20-30 minutes, right? Okay. Kev Money Flow. All right, I feel you, bro. Yeah, so yeah, I think I clarified my point. I didn't say properly. I think risk reward ratio are far better than pips. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. What do you think, MTL? Yeah, MTL, guys. For people that don't know, it means Montreal, which is where I'm from. Which is where we are from. Um, yeah, risk reward is way more important. On all our trade, usually we'll have three take profit. The first take profit is like a 1-for-1, and the second take profit will be like a 1.5-for-1 or a 2-for-1, and the third take profit will be at least 2.5-for-1, 3-for-1, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like risk reward ratio is more important. I'll connect the TV. We got the Raptors game starting. You are the best mentor. Thanks a lot. Really do appreciate that. But we really need. I'll start, guys. I've been wanting to start putting way more content for affiliate and for Forex education, but I've been struggling with some fucking issues. Like I moved here just to be able to sleep properly because there was a fucking construction site in 2-3 street where I was living, and they were doing like noise all day long every morning from 7 a.m. And now it's kind of the same thing here, so I'm just messing around with that, like just trying to have a fucking quiet and peaceful place. And when I'll be able to get that, I'll do like daily like video, probably gonna do something like a Facebook group where I'll go live almost on a daily basis and to engage with our VIP members and give them training to our affiliate and stuff. Look at my cat. So there's other question, guys, but fuck, I need to. If you guys are a real fucking warrior and you want to get the answer to the other question, you gotta stay tuned for about a minute because I need to go take a piss. So stay tuned. All right. Well, so many people have stayed. Shit, almost everyone. We lost one or two person. That's pretty good. All right. So, what's your YouTube channel name? YouTube channel name is our business. Mine is Young Entrepreneur 01, all in one. Young Entrepreneur 01, and our business is Golden Option Trading Forex. What do you think about IML? Let me just see if I'm at. All right, I'm at the. There's the basketball game. It's pretty cool because there's the TV. I got the TV. I got my computer and my desk. So when I want to create some slide or I need to have a big screen, I can just put my computer on that screen. And then over here, you got the city view. Check that out. Oh yeah. And I'm not laughing, guys, when I'm saying I do everything for the noise. So I have this in front of my window just to try to block the noise even more. Yeah, I'm that crazy, but it fell off. So I'll get back inside. Just wanted to show you that. Pretty cool view, eh? It's cool to. So yeah, so what do I think about IML? So I don't think much about them anymore. There was a big deal before. Um, I guess they're still a big company, but they're not doing a lot of direct outreach anymore and stuff. And really, I don't think that much about them. They're doing their thing and whatever. We all know like that people that are joining that they're more entrepreneur business mindset, that trader, and we all know that they don't really have good signals and stuff, but people are joining in because it's a irresistible offer. Like it's something I'm teaching. Like they have a lot in their offer for a good price. So that's pretty much what I think about that. How were you beginning stage of your trading? How were you? Um, Personally, like I said, I blew a lot of small account. Didn't know really what I was doing. Nicholas took a completely different route, so went on a demo account for about a year, and he was successful after that. So yeah, you don't need to go on a demo account for 1 year. If you get like our training and stuff, you can learn it in like maybe 2 months. Oh, the Raptors game is starting right now. So nice place, takes a lot. Hello everyone. You're welcome everyone. You should check the awesome condo in Mirabel. It's fucking sick. I'll check that out. It's a little bit far from where I am. I am in Terrebonne at the moment. It's a little bit far from where I like to hang, but at the moment, to be honest, the number one thing I'm looking for a condo is just being able to be like sleep properly, no sound and stuff. So gotta respect, bro. Thanks. You're welcome. Thanks a lot. I was about to say you're welcome, but that's not relevant. All right. So you think you got better signals than IML? Yep, I'm pretty sure. I don't look at their signals. I haven't looked at their signals in a while, but I'm pretty freaking sure of that. How can I be a professional trader? A real professional trader is someone trading money or trading in a bank. So you need to build a track record, and it will take you at least 6 to 12 months just to build your track record, and usually it will take you a few months to get the proper strategy, start building your track record, blow a few accounts, or maybe start bad, restart. So you should expect to take it like a year and a half minimum if you get the right training. If you don't get the right training, you will never be a professional trader. That's pretty much it. And where can I see your result? At goldenoptiontrading.com/trading log. goldenoptiontrading.com/trading log. They're all our result for the past 2 years. And there's also, you might want to check out goldenoptiontrading.com/review, where we have a bunch of review. I'm 27, started at 24, and that's pretty much it. How were the beginning stage of your trading? I think I answered this one, but this is the last one I'm answering. That was how where. Well, I don't really know what you mean, but I'll give it a shot. I guess how were the beginning stage of your trading? It was not that bad, but not profitable really. It was up and down. So yeah, sorry for not having more to go on that. I just I just ran out of things to say, I guess. Um, do you know Q Banks from Wall Street Academy? Yes, I do. Peace out, man. Peace out. Respect for your honesty, bro. Thanks a lot. Peace out. And yes, I know like who he is, but don't really know that much about him or his content or whatever. What was your hardest psychological threat that was the hardest to defeat? Uh, that would be there's a few one that's coming in my head, but I guess that would be like to actually like trade like a robot and not like a human to always have the same methodology, which I think that's what a lot of people are most people are struggling with. But yeah, hardest psychological trait that was the hardest to defeat. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. How much leverage? The leverage we can use 100 to 1, 200 to 1. It doesn't really matter. It's the percentage that you're risking. I'm still thinking about the psychological question, trying to answer it a little better, but I don't have a lot. I guess my brain is fucked up now. It's been too long since I answered question. What time do you send signals? Most of the time in the London and US session, but pretty much all the time. Do you have your own strategy? Yup, we do. Which indicator is the best one, sir? Fibonacci, if you consider it an indicator, and pretty much don't really need a lot of other indicator. How many signals per week? About 5, 6 per week. With Guam, bro, nothing much. Looking at the champ, Toronto Raptors. I like the question Bitcoin Forexer, but I'll answer the one just before. It just pops up. $30 for the first month, and then it goes, yeah, exactly. So it's 33, not 30. So it's a 67% discount. Basically, we might have not, well, I think it's said well, but it's basically like a trial. So we don't want to give a free trial, but we want to give you everything that we're offering at a 67% discount for the first month. So you can try it for just $33. So it's basically the mindset behind that offer. You try it, you only pay $33, you save 67% discount. If you like it, you can stay. The regular price is $100 per month. You get the signals, you get the trading academy with all the online video, and you get the affiliate program. So Celine Dion or GSP? Obviously GSP. But if you're talking about money, I'll go with Celine Dion. How much quantity you trade with? Most of our investor account is like 100K. So yeah, I will answer 100K. Are you smack? I'm definitely high on weed. I bet he is gonna ratch Raptors now. Yeah, man. Don't go to the SQDC too often and your brain not gonna be that fucked up. Yeah. Huh. I guess that's right. Well, you have a Black Friday sale. Will you have a Black Friday sale? But I'm kidding. Like I know that these are kind of jokes, but not jokes. But no, it's not. It's not about the weed or whatever. Because the weed, man, I accomplish a lot of things. Oh shit, there's 26 seconds remaining. It's gonna end because I've been on for an hour. So will you have a Black Friday sale? Hell yeah. I guess I don't even know when it is. I hope it's not today. Poutine or French fry? French fry. Peace out, guys.